everybody, we're actually going to make some art today. So here's some things that you're going to need. You're going to need a piece of paper, a pencil if you have one. If you don't have one, you can use a marker or a pen. A marker, and if you have something to color it in with, that would be great. And you might want to also grab an eraser. So what you're going to do is you're going to write your name on the paper. If your name is too long, you might want to do a shortened version of your name, or you can choose a different word like love or smile if you can't get a longer word to fit. So I'm going to write the name Sarah. So when I write the name, see how I'm going up to the edge of the paper? And I'm going to touch the sides all the way down, touch the other edge. So all of your letters should touch both the bottom and the top of the paper. So we have S, A, again, touching the edges of the paper. We are going to have R down the bottom, all the way up. Touch, down, touch the bottom. A from the bottom, up, down, across, and an H. See how I'm touching the edges? All right, that's step one. Now, if you have a marker, go back and trace your lines with the marker. We do that a lot in class. And if you get off of your pencil line, it's okay. You can use your eraser to fix that after. R, A, and H. Okay, so now you can take your eraser and go in there and erase all of your pencil lines. Mine's probably shaking my video, so I'm not going to go too hard on that. All right, so now we're going to add patterns or lines into all the empty sections. So a pattern is anything that repeats itself. So I can do diagonal lines in this section, and I can choose to do them somewhere else as well. So these lines are repeating. I could do a zigzag line in a section, but you can do your own patterns. You don't have to copy mine. I could do polka dots in one, that repeats. I could put hearts in one. I could do something a little more complicated. And I do have a handout that has examples of patterns on it, which is linked for you. I think it's a PDF file. So we're gonna fill in all of these spaces. Let's do kind of like little stars. Okay. Now I can leave some spaces blank and just color them in a color, or I could keep going with some patterns. I'm gonna do a wavy line. I'm gonna do a dashed line. Dash, 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 dash. Okay. Maybe I'll do another polka dot one over here. I'm going fast, but you can go a lot slower since you're at home. Okay, so I don't want to add any more patterns on mine. I think I like the way it looks. So now the last step is if you have colors, it could be crayons or markers, watercolor, anything that you have, you can go in there and color it. And if you color in that whole picture, it's gonna look really awesome. So I can color in a little bit at a time, get some green. And that's it. You just color in your whole picture and you're done. If you want to send me your picture, you can email it to my email, which I'll post for you, or you can also upload it to your assignment if you're using an iPad or a phone to upload it. I'll have as many instructions as I can for you to do that, but good job, and I can't wait to see your creations if you are sending it to me, but you don't have to.